Hello, welcome back. In this tutorial, you will learn how to join a table with vector layer. For this tutorial, we are going to work with the India polygon layer. Furthermore, we have one Excel data which contains census information of the India state. The aim is to join the census information with India polygon layer. So, let's start. Open the software. Here, I have already added a India polygon vector layer in the view. When you open the attribute table, you can see that there is many information available here, like state name, area, perimeter, state ID, etc. This is the Excel file which contains the census information of the India state. Now, I want to add this census information in attribute table of the India polygon theme, which is not containing the census information. To join the information, first you have to import the Excel file in the software. Under the File tab, go to Import option, click on Import Table, and select the table from the directory and open it. Give table name and click on OK. After importing the table successfully into the software, check the table information from table list. Select the census table, right-click on that, and open table. Here, you can see that all the census information. Here, you can see that there is one common field, that is state name, which is available in both the table. We are going to join the tables based on this common field, that is state name. Next, go the Database tab and click on Join Table option for the further process. A GUI will open. In the theme name, you can see India polygon is selected. Select the field from India polygon, which is state name. Then, select the table which need to join. Our table name is Census Table. Select the common field of Census Table, which is state name. In the option section, there are two options. If you choose All Records option, then it includes all the records of tables in joining operation. Or if you choose Matching Records option, then it includes only matching records of both the table in joining operation. There is another option available, that is Hard Join. If you check on the Hard Join option, it creates a new theme. Here is an option for Put New Theme Name and Make Permanent Join. If you do not check on the Hard Join option, then it only joins on temporary basis. Here, we are continue without check Hard Join. Next, click on the OK option, and the table join process will be completed. For viewing the data, we need to open the attribute table. Go to the Show and Hide option and check on the data. Now, you can see our census data successfully joined with attribute table. That's all for this video. Stay tuned for next video.